Hello and welcome to this Friday, November the 13th edition of UD Talks. Today we're coming to you 2 days after Veterans Day, and on behalf of the entire university community, we want to share our appreciation for our veterans and for our students who are preparing to serve their country. Those students, of course, are in our ROTC program. Its most recent iteration has been on campus for over 20 years. We're grateful for the great service and great preparation that these students receive through our program, and we're even more grateful for the service they provide to our country. So it is my privilege to be able to introduce to you in this edition of UD Talks the University of Dubuque ROTC program.
Hey Spartan community, I'm Sergeant First Class Dakota Fingerson. I've been in the Army for 10 years. I'm new to the program here at ROTC, but I very much look forward to working with the future of commissioned officers and providing any sort of mentorship that I possibly can. So the ROTC program is a great opportunity for young women and men to go to college, get an education, but more importantly, work on their leadership abilities to provide to the Army to ensure the future success of our military, but more importantly, Americans. All right, I've been here for roughly 3 weeks, and I very much look forward to the opportunity to working with some of you young men and women, and more importantly, hear a few of our cadets.
How's it going? My name's Eli Maytay. I'm an MS3. I've been in this program for 3 years. I'm excited to be part of this program because it's always been a dream of mine to become an Army officer. Growing up in a military family, seeing the life, seeing all the leadership and everything, seeing the discipline that was given to us, and just following my father's footsteps is one of the biggest things that motivates me. And knowing that I can do it at such a great school, such as University of Dubuque, honestly motivates me a lot. There's a lot of great leadership and everything just runs smooth around here. Just a few days ago, we just celebrated Veterans Day. Veterans Day to me is extremely important because it shows the dedication and sacrifices that others have put down for us to live our way of life. And this means a lot. So just wearing this uniform, honestly, just remembering all the people who sacrificed their lives and the courageous acts they did really motivates us. And that's why I take Veterans Day very, very sincerely.
I'm Cadet Dylan Jackson. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I've been a cadet here for the past 2 years in the ROTC program. I'm a computer science major here at the University of Dubuque, and the Army has been giving me an awesome opportunity to get my education while I work on my leadership experience here at the University of Dubuque. So I get a stipend every month along with a book stipend and have my tuition paid for, and the university is fortunate enough to pay for my room and board as well. So it's a fantastic opportunity for any cadet to come here and get their education with fantastic cadre and cadets to attend this fantastic program. So my father, my uncle, and my grandfather all served in the armed forces, and for Veterans Day, it's important to express our gratitude just because we've been given so much as Americans. So it's important to express our gratitude, our appreciation for men and women that have put so much on the line for our freedoms and to protect the Constitution of the United States.